Let me show you the fastest way to edit records in Airtable so you can keep your data accurate and up to date with just a few clicks. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To start, open your browser and head over to airtable.com. If you aren't already signed in, click the Login button and enter your credentials. Once you're in, open the base that contains the records you want to edit. Airtable organizes your work into bases, and each base holds the tables relevant to a specific project or workflow. Now select the table that has the record you need to update. Tables are like spreadsheets, and each row is a record. To find the exact record, you can scroll through the rows or use the search bar at the top of the table. The filter feature is also incredibly useful here. Click the filter button and set conditions to narrow down the view, so you only see the records that match certain criteria, like a specific status or date range. Once you've located the record, click on any cell within that row. This activates the cell for editing. You can now type directly into the cell to update the information. Common fields you'll edit include name, status, date, and notes. For example, if a project moves from in progress to complete, simply click the status cell and type or select the new value. When you're done editing a single cell, press Enter on your keyboard to confirm the change. If you need to update multiple fields in the same record, just click across the row. Move from the name field to the status field to the date field, and so on, and update each value one by one. Airtable saves every change automatically, so you never have to worry about losing your work. This real-time saving means that as soon as you press Enter or click out of a cell, the update is stored instantly. After you've made your edits, take a moment to review your changes. Scan the row to make sure the information looks correct, and if you need to double check, you can always click back into a cell to adjust it again. Since Airtable saves automatically, you have a continuous log of updates, and you can even view the revision history if you ever need to see what was changed. That's it. You now know exactly how to edit records in Airtable quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching this Airtable tutorial on how to edit records in Airtable. If this helped you out, please like and subscribe for more practical tips. See you in the next video.